Thank you for asking me to speak at this important seminar. And the focus of my talk today is going to be on looking at blended finance instruments for India and particularly focused on sanitation. It includes the work we have done, but it also looks at other opportunities that are there in the Indian context. Uh, This is important because if you look at the recent JMP data, it looks as if there is less chance of any of the countries in the world meeting the SDG 6.2 target by 2030. So, safely managed sanitation is something that will require a lot of emphasis, and a lot of funding is likely to be required for that. It is also true that large proportion of the funding that is available is not going to be sufficient to meet the kind of targets that are necessary, and therefore it is important to look for additional sources from the private sector, from commercial sources, and so on. Besides augmenting the funding, it will also help to improve the quality of investments and monitoring systems linked to that. So let me look at the one major thing that I want to focus on is that we look at sanitation not only in terms of access to toilets, but the entire sanitation service chain that is necessary. So starting with the access to toilets, the kind of blended finance instrument that is possible is access to sanitation credit. Although public funding in the Indian context is available for toilets, it is important to add to that through commercial sources, and this has been possible by looking at accessing banks through self-help groups in many localities in the state where we work in and through other institutions. This has been scaled up throughout India. After the access to toilet, the next thing is in terms of delivery of the sanitary, in terms of the sanitation services, is emptying of toilets, because large number of particularly the low income households rely on on-site sanitation, and this needs to be emptied frequently. So there are opportunities for public private partnerships where septic tank emptying is given out or contracted out to local private sector, and they bring in their own investments through their own trucks and so on. This is something that has been done very successfully in cities in the state of Maharashtra where we work. We've termed this as performance linked annuity model, and there are very many features that make it successful, and this is was started in a couple of cities and is currently being scaled up through other cities in Maharashtra. So it's something that's likely to be picked up. After emptying services comes the issue of treatment. And treatment also, there are a lot of opportunities, particularly in treatment, because investment requirements are high, that bringing in the private sector through PPP models is very, very important. This has been done through a hybrid annuity model in some cities in India, particularly in the Namami Gange basin and in the states of Haryana, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So HAM model is something that is possible to use, and it's a form of blended finance instrument that can be used for treatment facilities. Interestingly, India also has shown that there is opportunity to mobilize funding from the debt market, and the municipal bonds that are being used by local governments for this purpose are being used for financing of treatment facilities in India. And this has been sort of initiated by a few cities in India and is likely to be picked up more. This is also linked to the possibilities of green bonds that are being issued in India, as well as the accessing funds from the sovereign green bond funding that was mobilized by Government of India. So that's the other opportunity that is also possible. Lastly, and not the least, is that we often forget that after treatment there are also opportunities for reuse of treated wastewater and other matter that comes out of the treatment facilities, and this is something that can also be looked at. There are very successful PPP models that have been shown to work really well in the Indian context. in the state of Maharashtra. One of the cities, Nagpur, actually linked up with a local power plant, and the treated wastewater is being used through a PPP model by that power plant. In another city in the state of Gujarat, the treated wastewater is being used by a local industry, a cotton based industry, through again a PPP model, and again very, very successfully. This shows that there is a lot of possibility in terms of mobilizing funding through blended finance, through both private sector PPP models as well as through commercial funding through municipal bonds in the Indian context for the entire sanitation service chain. So far, some of these ideas are in a nascent stage, but something that can over time certainly be scaled up along with a very successful Swachh Bharat mission of the Government of India. Thank you.